Hi, I'm Joe Orlando. I'm the Technical Services Manager for Xilica. We're here at the ISE 2020 show, and we're showing the Solaro Modular platform. We have two versions. This is the small QR1 version. I have the top taken off. This is an 8 card slot card cage DSP processor. You can load any type of card in any slot at any time. We have several different types of cards. We have 2-channel audio, analog audio cards. We have 2-channel analog audio output cards. We have AES EBU cards, either input or output 2-channel. We have USB audio cards that are 2x2. We also have 4-channel GPIO cards, and we have relay cards, excuse me. One of the nice things about these Solaro processors is they're the best sounding processors in the show. We run them at 48K. They can also run up to 96K. They have 32-bit A to D converters, and they're really, really easy to program. This particular Solaro has 4x4 Dante on board. Our larger processor that you see in the picture here has available 64x64 Dante card, and you can load it at any time. What's nice about this platform is if it's scalable. You put one processor in for your customer, and at any point, if they want to expand, all you have to do is add cards. You don't need to sell them a new processor. We also are showing at this show our new XWP wall controller. Very simple, very easy to program. It's got an OLED screen, there's 32 menus, and it's just drag and drop. And that's what we're showing this year here at ISE 2020. If you'd like more information, go to our website at xilica.com.